Back to Duna Fashion and Beauty. Plus size fall outfits are all about embracing comfort, warmth, and style as the weather starts to cool. Fall is the perfect season to experiment with layering, cozy textures, and rich autumnal colors. Whether you are dressing for a casual day out, a cozy evening in, or a formal event, here is a guide to help you curate chic and flattering plus size fall outfits. Knit sweaters are a fall staple offering both warmth and style. Choose an oversized knit sweater that drapes beautifully over your curves. Pair it with skinny jeans or leggings for a balanced silhouette. Neutral colors like camel grey or cream work perfectly for a classic fall look. A chunky cardigan can be layered over a simple t-shirt or blouse. Opt for cardigans with interesting textures like cable knit or ribbed patterns. Belt the cardigan at the waist for more refined shape. Turtlenecks are not only warm but also add a touch of sophistication. A fitted turtleneck can be tucked into high waisted trousers or a skirt for a sleek, polished look. Fall dresses can be both comfortable and flattering, perfect for a variety of occasions. A flowy maxi dress is a rich autumn color like burgundy, olive, or mustard is perfect for fall. Look for dresses with long sleeves and pair them with ankle boots or knee high boots for an effortlessly chic outfit. Wrap dresses are universally flattering and can be worn throughout the fall season. Choose a wrap dress in a thicker fabric like jersey or knit and pair it with tights and heel boots for a complete look. A sweater dress is the ultimate cozy yet stylish fall outfit. Opt for a midi length sweater dress that skims over your curves and add a belt at the waist to enhance your silhouette. Pair with knee high boots for a sophisticated ensemble. Layering is key for fall, allowing you to stay warm while adding dimension to your outfit. A well fitted blazer is a great layering piece for fall. Choose one in a plait or houndstooth pattern for a classic fall vibe. You can wear it over a turtleneck blouse or even a simple t shirt. A denim or leather jacket adds a touch of edgy to any fall outfit. Pair it with a dress, skirt, or jeans for a cool, casual look. For a more unique layering option, try a poncho or cape. These pieces are perfect for adding warmth and can be thrown over any outfit for an instant style upgrade. Fall is the perfect time to experiment with different types of bottoms that offer both comfort and style. High waisted jeans are flattering and versatile. Pair them with a tucked in sweater or blouse to accentuate your waist. Dark wash jeans are particularly great for fall. Wide leg trousers are comfortable and stylish, offering a more polished alternative to jeans. Pair them with a fitted top to balance out the silhouette. Fall footwear is all about combining style with practicality. Ankle boots are a fall essential. Choose a pair with chunky heels for added comfort. Remember, the key to any great outfit is confidence. So wear what makes you feel your best and have fun experimenting with different styles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Bye for now.